Hi, this is Manish Shah. I'm VP for Engineering at Tagore Technology. Here we are introducing some of the new product as well as the reference design at IMS here in San Diego. So the first product that we're going to talk about is just the newly announced TSL 8029. It's a RX module for 5G macro base station. It is the module integrated with the high power fail-safe switch plus the 2 stages of LNA. Here I'm showing some of the performance of this part. You can see that the switch in the TX mode can handle almost 125 watt average power as well as 600 watt peak power. The LNA in the RX mode, it has a gain of 33 dB in the high gain mode and 14 dB in the low gain mode. It has a low noise figure of 1.3 dB and OIP3 of 33 dBm. This part can be tuned for different frequency band depending on by just simply changing the BOM of the part. And this part kind of leverages the advantages of both the GaN technology, which is good for high power, as well as the GaAs technology, which is good for low noise. So compared to traditional approach of designing pin diode based switches, this part significantly reduces the number of components. It doesn't require high bias current or high bias voltage, so it gives a great advantage compared to the existing technology. Next, I'm going to talk about the tunable switches. So we have new tunable switches designed using our second generation of a GaN process. So our switches has a RDS-on of 1 ohm. It has an op capacitance of 0.25 picofarad, and it can handle up to 125 volt of peak RF voltage. And it comes in 2-throw and 4-throw. These switches are ideally suitable for tunable filter design for, like, for example, software-defined radios, as well as the tunable antenna match. So here I'm showing the example of the tunable filter using our tunable switches. So you can see that I'm showing this tunable filter has 3-to-1 tuning range. It can handle 10 watts of power, which is what is required for many of the software-defined radios. It can achieve the 2 dB insertion loss and has a harmonic rejection, second harmonic rejection of 70 dB. So this is, again, this operates from typical 3-volt supply. So unlike pin diode, you don't need any high voltage, high bias current to operate these switches. So it gives significant advantages in terms of the number of components required or the board space required. So many of our customers are using these switches to design the tunable filters. We are also showing many of our second generation of GaN switches, GaN power amplifier, low noise amplifier. So with that, if you have any question, please stop by our booth 620. We'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Thank you very much.